Okay, you on?
I am.
One more box left.
Ooh, what do we have? Like Christmas.
Good parts. We're gonna put the O-ring we don't lose.
Oh, it goes right here.
Right there. Yeah, but it won't stay there.
Oh.
We'll see. The airplane motor's in the way. Oh, somebody dropped the box. Airplane motor gets out of the way. Okay, it's out of the way. Alright, now I got room for box. Oh, fragile. Don't drop it.
Fragile.
Don't drop it. It's fragile.
Handle with care.
I did handle with care, didn't I?
Yeah.
I gave it all due respect. Piece of crap hard, who cares? eBay junk.
Yeah. Books.
So almost no value at all in it. Appears to be boxes in a box. Taking good care of it so far, right?
Yeah.
I lost my knife though.
Yeah.
I found it. It's a nice cushion floor though. So
Yeah.
good to go. Remember I was dropping on the table before, it was hard. Guess what I got?
Ooh, I'm guessing a cylinder.
Got the right shape,
Got him.
got the right noise, right weight,
Oh,
pins on it.
what?
Handle with care.
Don't want to break a pin.
It's a Harley part. Lightweight if you break them off.
Oh.
Look at those.
Looky there.
Feel it. That's not how they go though. Push rods are over here, see.
Oh, yeah.
So these are 4-bolt. So they're Evo, right?
Look who told we Evo.
They're Ironhead.
Oh, yeah.
They're not 3-bolted. Real bolts. They got real bases on them. So where'd that piece of crap fuel motor go? I don't have an Ironhead case laying around, but I got a Beetle motor laying around. So this is a 3.5 inch bore motor stock. Ironheads are not.
Wow.
But it is now.
Look at that.
After you bore the hole out, it fits. It's right there, see? Goes like that.
Wow.
That's how you make a 90 inch Ironhead.
A 90-inch iron head.
Well, it could be 86, 90, or 95.
Alright.
Unless you have bigger bore. So if it's 3.5 inch, it's 3 7/16. A lot of carbon on that. So these are pretty thin. Have some issues there. be a standard bore. That means I could do a lot of fixing.
All right.
You know what the advantage of having this 3 7/16 bore is?
Tell me.
You can use Chevrolet pistons in them.
Oh. Looky there.
These are 20 over, so they don't fit. But the dome isn't right, but it's close enough.
Close enough.
And you got that, and if you get a stroker motor, you can put a stroker big twin piston in there, and you got a cheap piston to use. You can't buy iron head pistons anymore, but you can buy Chevrolet pistons or a stroker. So these are old Axdale cast cylinders. Got the numbers put in there. So these are made back in the 80s and stuff like that. They were making this kind of shit. This is old fuel racing stuff. Somebody ran the bolt through there and kind of pinched it a little bit right there. Stupid. See, that makes it a little tight on the piston right there.
Yeah.
Appears the crank might have been bad on this motor. See a little scoring going on in there.
Yeah. Hmm.
Use 3/8 head bolts instead of 7/16 to make room for a bigger bore. Usually they splay the pattern out a little bit, but I don't know if this one's splayed or not. You have to actually put a head gasket on there and see if this one's bigger or not than stock bolt pattern. Sometimes when they run the small bolts, they don't change the bolt pattern. But not always. A race motor is 3/8 bolt in splay. You never know until you try it. I don't have a gasket laying around here for sporty, so. Well, there you go. Set of nice cylinders. Now these could be 1,000, they could be 900. I made them both. That's the part I had back there. And that's got some serious rust right there. See that? That kind of really screws the bore up. It's right up at the top where it matters too. So we got to go hone these a little bit, and maybe those 20 over pistons will fit in these cylinders after we're done.
Right.
Yeah, a lot of, see all the scarring in there?
Oh yeah. Get that.
Definitely a bad motor. Let's go see how bad the bores are. Get a bolt here though. How do you get a bolt out? It won't come out. Hold the light. Not enough room. Loctite.
Hmm.
These usually don't fit on there. Too big. You have special stroker bolts to use, or big bore bolts. How do you get Loctite to free up?
Heat.
Melt it. That'll be enough. Yep, made enough. More heat. When it's burning, it should be enough. That doesn't want to work. Turn off your torch. Appropriate tools. Man, it doesn't feel very good. Sound kind of gritty.
It does.
Try to get some more lube in there. Gotta get lubricated before it sticks. There we go. It's starting to loosen up now. See how the gritty noise kind of went away?
Yeah.
It might be a little warm. Only if you touch it. Still gritty in places. I don't think that one to come off.
No.
It's very important before you jam your hardware on your motor to clean all the threads up and make the stuff work. You can just put it on your fingers. It makes it a lot easier to take apart down the road. You don't have to fight it as much.
What a great idea.
Because this is a pain in the ass. This would be hard to do with the track.
So don't leave grit and grime all over your threads.
Yeah, I'm not sure what they got going on, but it's definitely not happy in there. How hot is that? Pretty damn hot. Hard right to the last thread. Burn the floor. Smoking. That did not want to come off.
No.
But it lost.
It did.
It came off. It might be a little warm. See how those threads are kind of crappy looking?
Yeah.
Real shiny and kind of the tops are all screwed up. That means it's golden inside the nut. It was trying to stick. It just did a very bad job of doing it. Okay, I'm going to clean this up. Be back.